Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very exciting unboxing. I got a package from Morphe PR. Thank you so much Morphe for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Of course, everything I've bought from Morphe so far has been with my own coins, including the Jaclyn Hill palette, the 3502, the 35W, the 35F, like all of those palettes I purchased myself. So it's nice for a brand to finally recognize me. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this stuff so you could like tell me which videos you want to see first, because there is a lot of stuff here and I don't know what to film first. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the one that I actually used today and it's on my eyes right now. This is the Morphe 35R palette. Now the big palettes they sent me and some of the little palettes, actually I think all of the little palettes, I have to double check, but they all have the old Morphe logo on it, which is totally fine with me. I really don't mind. And then once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So this is a completely neutral palette. It comes with like 3 rows of shimmers and these shimmers are next level pigmented, as you can see from my eyes. I don't know why this palette, whenever I hold it up, it throws off my white balance and turns me blue. What is going on? But yeah, this is quickly the palette. It is absolutely stunning. I used it today. I absolutely love it. The quality of these mattes are so pigmented, so blendable. The shimmers are next level. Like they're honestly so close to like Juvia's Place. They're so pigmented and finely milled and absolutely stunning shimmers. So yeah, I highly recommend this palette, but this is the only one of course that I have tried out of everything that was sent. So this is the gold that I have on my lid, by the way, and look at that pigmentation. I'm not going to be swatching from every single palette because we will be here forever. Of course I will do some swatches in the individual review. Next we have the 35P palette, which is like the full purple palette, I believe. Yeah, this is what this one looks like and it is absolutely stunning. I have the Makeup Revolution one, so maybe if you guys want me to do a comparison video I can totally do that now. So this palette has a mix of shimmers and matte shades, but they are all kind of in the purple family. We have some browns over here as well, but yeah, so far you guys know I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, so this is going to be my favorite palette, I think. Next we have a palette that I've been trying to buy myself for ages, but every time I go on Beauty Bay it's always sold out, and this is the 35B. So this is the very bright colorful palette. So this is what the 35B looks like and this is right up my street. It is majority matte, but you do get a couple of shimmers in here. Like you get a couple shimmers here, you get a shimmery blue, a shimmery green, a shimmery yellow, a shimmery coral. So I think there's like a shimmer for every kind of color family, and this palette, if it is pigmented, I will be using it a lot because you guys, I love my Carity Cosmetics palette and that is like a full colorful palette just like this. Finally you are with me, baby. Now we have one more big palette before we move on to the smaller palettes. This is the 35F and I already have this palette. I believe it's the Fall Into Frost palette, which is like all shimmer shades apart from one row which is majority matte. And because I already have this palette, I will be doing a giveaway of it. Yeah, I definitely have this one. So this is what it looks like. Just to let you guys know, for the giveaway, this shade over here seems to have like a slice in it. I think it was this, but it definitely wasn't me. So if you do win the giveaway, I haven't touched it. It's just come like that. But yeah, with this one you get 4 rows of absolutely stunning shimmers. These shimmers once again are very similar to Juvia's Place. Because I already have this palette, I can give it a mini review. I absolutely love the shimmers in this palette. However, the mattes are not my favorite. Like quality wise they are amazing, but the shade selection is just so boring to me. I feel like hardly any of these will kind of show up on my skin tone well, but I'm glad they put a black in this palette because I need it. But yeah, if it was me I would have put some gorgeous like deep purple, a deep blue, a deep green, you know, but that's just me. Actually, should I put the giveaway in this video? There might be a giveaway at the end of this video, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. And no, don't forward to the end. Stay tuned to the end. So now we're moving on to the smaller palettes. And Morphe was honestly so generous with this package. They gave me so much stuff. Thank you so much. So the first 2 palettes I already have and I purchased myself from Beauty Bay. They were like £19 each, I think. And that is the Copper Spice palette and the Bronze Mocha palette. I've already done a review for one of them, but not for the other. I can't remember which one I reviewed. And these ones have clear windows so I don't have to open it so you can see. So this is the Copper Spice one and it comes with 25 eyeshadows. And then we have the 25B, which is the bronze mocha palette, and this is what this one looks like. So this one kind of gives me like coffee vibes, which is probably why it's called bronze mocha. So yeah, both of those two small palettes will be in the giveaway. Next we have the 9B palette. I'm not quite sure why the back is the right way, but then the front, the label's upside down. This box was printed wrong, but yeah, it's the 9B, so let's open it. I don't think I've seen any of these 9 palettes. Like, I didn't really take an interest in them, so I've never really like seen the shades inside. Oh, it's a blush palette. Okay, so it's got 9 blushes inside. They are shimmery and matte, so you get 3 shimmery or satin blushes, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matte blushes, and they look really, really decent in terms of color. I would probably stick to these 3 down here. Me being the colorful eyeshadow person that I am, I slyly thought it was 9 bright palette, like it was a smaller, brighter, like colorful palette, but no, it's a blush palette. It's okay. Now we have the 9BZ palette. BZ, I wonder what that could mean. Okay, bronzer. Bronzer, yeah, BZ. So this is the bronzer palette. I'm not quite sure. Maybe these two might be able to work for me, but anyone deeper than me, I don't think this would work for. There also seems to be like this color up here, which would be a really nice highlight for my skin tone, and this one down here has a little bit of shimmer as well. But overall, of course guys, I would have to test it on my face. There's no real way of knowing if it will work for me unless I put it on my face. I might just have to do like a testing Morphe video where I test the bronzers, the blushes, the eyeshadows, the brushes, because I did get brushes. Next we have the 9C palette. I don't know what C could stand for. It's like a contour palette again, highlight and contour. So I think you're meant to use like the lighter colors to set your concealer, and then the deeper colors to contour and bronze. Once again, I'd most likely have to try it out on my face, but it does look really, really light. These 2 colors down here, I'm just kind of judging by my eye. Let's pull out what I usually use. So what I usually use is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro HD contour kit, and I use like this shade up here, as you can see. So compared, they are quite similar, like this one. And why is my white balance gone crazy? Yeah, to my eye right now they do look a little bit similar, but of course I would have to try it on the face to know for sure. I don't know why, in my head I was thinking these little mini palettes were for your eyes as well, but I guess they are face palettes. Okay, then last but not least, for the black packaging palettes, we have the 9N palette. Let's see what comes in here. Okay, so we have more blushes in the 9N palette. Once again, I would probably stick to this section down here. This blush looks beautiful. So the middle row is all shimmer, and this one down here is shimmer, and then the top row is matte, and then these 2 over here are matte as well. And then last but definitely not least, for the palettes, we have the Desi Danger highlighting palette. Absolutely love the packaging of this. It's like a glittery gold without actually being glitter, maybe like a holographic gold. I'm not quite sure how to describe it, but yeah, Desi Danger is this lovely lady here. I do follow her on Instagram, so can't wait to try this out. Okay, so this is what this palette looks like. I mean, the whole bottom row is screaming to me. This coppery shade would look beautiful mixed with these 2. And then the pinky shades in the middle, not really my vibe. And then the top shades, okay, so these 2 are matte. I'm guessing that's to set underneath your eyes. And then the rest of the highlighters are shimmer. Let me swatch this one because this one looks almost duochrome. It is duochrome. It's like a pinky, I don't even know what color to call that. Let's swatch it and see how it comes out. Yeah, it's like a pinky cream color. I mean, not the best for my skin tone and highlighting, but like she said, you can easily just mix the shades. But for me personally, these shades at the bottom are looking like what's going to be the best for me. They are so pigmented. I literally did the smallest swatch, guys. Let's go ahead and swatch this on my arm. Okay, they look beautiful. I can definitely see myself using these 3 shades, so they will be in the testing video. Okay, so the last product I want to talk about is, I'm still blown away every time I look at this bag. Morphe sent me every single brush that they own. I'm pretty sure this is nearly every single brush they produce. I can't wait to test these all out because I've heard so much about Morphe brushes and I've never tried one before. I mean, I've looked at them on Beauty Bay, but I don't know, because I've heard mixed reviews. You hear the beauty gurus raving about it, but then you hear normal people saying it's, you know, not that great. So I really don't know what to expect, and I've never spent my money on a Morphe brush. So this is very exciting to me to get to try out all of their brushes, and I'm definitely going to be using every single brush that I can in my Morphe testing video, of course. So Morphe, this was honestly so generous of you. I can't wait to test these out. But so far, guys, I did take a couple out and like play with them just to make sure they were super soft and stuff, and running them on my hands, they feel next level soft. Like, I don't know what type of bristles or like material they used on this one brush, or these type of I don't know what this collection is called, but it's the brushes that look like this. They are next level soft. Like, I wish you guys could feel this through your TV or computer, whatever you're watching it on. I feel like this is gonna be, I honestly can't wait to test these because I've got high hopes, high hopes. But yeah, that is everything I wanted to share with you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up.
20 minutes later.
Okay, wait, pause. I completely forgot about the giveaway. I'm so sorry. I'm not quite sure if I said bye, but we're back. Hey, so the giveaway, guys. I don't really know what to make the rules. Let me think about this for a sec. Okay, I have no clue. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, of course. Like this video and leave me a comment about anything. I really don't care. Don't make it like one word comment, that doesn't count. Make it a nice comment, spread some positivity, and make sure you finish it with a purple emoji heart. Okay, that is it. You will be entered. So subscribe, like this video, comment anything you want with a purple emoji heart, and you are entered. You could win all 3 of these Morphe palettes, which is the 35F, the Copper Spice and Bronze Mocha palette. So if you would like to win these 3 palettes, then please follow the rules. It is gonna be UK only, just because my last giveaway was international and kind of broke my pocket, you know. Plus I think Morphe is more than readily available in the USA. So yeah, we're gonna make this UK only because my UK babes struggle to get Morphe over here, even though they have a Morphe website now. But before that, it was a struggle. Okay, so we're gonna make it UK based. So yeah, now I can go ahead and end this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.